Okay, so ngayon naman, lalagyan natin ng blurry effect yung background. So what we can do, duplicate your current background, name it blurry PG, okay? And then, while that is active, click on filter, then blur, Gaussian blur. I'm on 5.0, that is fine, and click OK. Click on erase tool, and then increase your opacity, siguro mga, pwede na 85. And then, lakihan natin yung ating brush, and then erase the area na gusto nating gawing pinakamalinaw sa background. Now, we can lower the opacity para mas maging less yung blurry effect. And I'm gonna go towards the a little further area of my background. Kasi, gaya ng sabi ko, mas malapit, mas malinaw, mas malayo, mas malabo. And then I'm gonna keep on lowering down my opacity and then work towards the farthest area of my background. So what it does is actually it erases these areas gradually and it reveals the area behind my blurry background. Okay?